I'd asked I told your husband just to say a word. You know, most of the times kuna mafisi hapa ndani. Kwa hivyo lazima wajue. Lazima wajue kwamba hako na mwenyewe. Tuongeleshe dakika moja.
Thank you, Excellency Governor, the Deputy Governor, the Speaker of the County Government of Gusii Government, and the Majority Leader and all the protocol observed. Thank you for this juncture that you have created so that you appreciate our champion, that is my best half. Yeah, so I wish just to say thank you for the Gusii people because you gave me a wife. It is such an honor and a pleasure just to say in Gusii we have talents and we have good hearts, because having Mary Moraa as my spouse, I have felt so much loved, and I love her too, and I pledge before you to love her, to support her in her career and her whole life. Thank you, Mr. Governor. I wish also just to say that those whom they had a side eye on her, she's taken. And she has, I didn't say my name, sorry. I'm Richard Kipchirchir Lagat. We share the name Kipchirchir with our Excellency the President. So may I come from Kapsabet, Nandi County. That's my home, and that will be the new home for Mary Moraa. Don't complain, just accept that. But I'll come for her officially at your land. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.